how you can record a meeting in Zoom. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Zoom on your device and then go ahead and join a meeting or simply host a new meeting. Now, once you have joined a meeting, simply go ahead and tap on the share option on the bottom right of your screen and further go ahead and share your presentation. So simply go ahead and select the presentation that you want to share. Now, once you have started sharing your screen, simply go back to Zoom and then tap on the upper hand corner of your screen and you will see a bunch of options here. So simply tap on the more option from the menu that appears and you will see the option for record. So tap on the record option you see there. And once your recording has begun, simply go ahead and wait for the recording to be completed and you can then go ahead and tap on the more option on top of your screen and you will see the option for pause or stop recording option you see there. So if you want to pause the recording, you can pause it for the time being and then resume it again. Or if you want to simply stop the recording, then you can tap on the stop recording option. And with this, your recording will be saved. So this was about how you can record a meeting in Zoom. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.